Hi and welcome back to Business with Joe. If you're here, you're probably thinking about starting a new business but might feel overwhelmed by the idea of creating a business plan. Don't worry, because today, we're going to walk you through the process step by step, even if you have no experience at all. Business Planning 101, Creating a Solid Business Plan. A business plan is like a roadmap for your business. It outlines your goals and details the steps you'll take to achieve them. Here's how you can create one from scratch. Let's break it down into simple, manageable sections. The first part of your business plan is the executive summary. This is a brief overview of your business and its objectives. Even though it's the first section, you should write it last so that you can summarize everything clearly. It should include your business name, location, the product or service you offer, and the mission statement. Next is the business description. Here, you provide detailed information about your business. Describe the industry you're entering, the current market landscape, and your business's role within this market. Explain what differentiates your business from competitors. The third section is market analysis. Conduct research to understand your target market. Who are your potential customers? What are their needs and preferences? Include data on industry trends and the competitive landscape. Tools like surveys, focus groups, and publicly available data can be incredibly helpful here. Now, let's move on to the organization and management section. This part details your business's organizational structure. Who will run the business? Create a chart showing the hierarchy. Include brief bios of your management team to highlight their expertise and roles. Service or product line. Describe what you're selling. Explain the benefits of your products or services to your customers. If you have any plans for future products or services, mention them here. Marketing and sales strategy. How will you attract and retain customers? Detail your marketing plan, including your strategies for pricing, advertising, and promotions. Outline your sales strategy, specifying your sales process and team. Funding request. Specify how much funding you'll need over the next 5 years and how you plan to use it. Be clear about whether you're seeking debt or equity financing and the terms you propose. Financial projections. Provide financial forecasts, including income statements, cash flow statements, and balance sheets for the next 3 to 5 years. If you have existing financial data, include it here. This section shows that your business is financially viable. Finally, the appendix. This is where you can include any additional information that supports your business plan, such as resumes, permits, lease agreements, and legal documentation. And there you have it, a complete business plan. Remember, creating a business plan is a process. Take it one step at a time, and don't be afraid to ask for help or seek out resources. Your business plan is not set in stone. It's a living document that will evolve as your business grows. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on starting and growing your business. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. Good luck with your business journey.